morning, ma'am. I'm Johan Sanchez, and the topic I've been learned in our subject is the extradition and extradition treaty. Extradition is the legal process where one country sends a person accused or convicted of a crime back to another country where the crime was committed so they can face trial or punishment. While extradition treaty, it is a formal agreement between two countries that allows them to hand over criminals to each other under agreed rules and conditions. And the advantage of this is helps catch criminals, countries work together, and justice is served. While the disadvantage is takes a long time, can cause conflict between countries, and possible unfair treatment.